Hi everyone, here we've got KYOCERA Torque G03 and let me show you how to enable Google Backup on this device. So first of all, let's enter apps and now let's tap on the settings. Here we have to scroll down to actually very bottom and tap on the system. And here we've got the backup option, which is right now turned off. So let's tap on it and tap on the switcher to turn on the backup. As you can see, the account option is active, so now we can freely tap on it and add a backup account. Let's tap on add account again. Make sure that you're connected with the internet, and from this step you can either create a new backup account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do this. Okay, let's tap on next. Now we have to enter the password, so let me do this out of the screen. Okay, and now let's tap on next. Here we've got some Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy, so of course if you want to read it, just tap on it, and here you've got all the info. Let's tap on I agree after reading. Here we've got the shortcut of backup and storage info, so let's tap on I agree. And as you can see, our backup account has been successfully added, so it means that from now on all the content will be stored on your Google Drive. So actually that's all. This is how to enable Google Backup in your KYOCERA Torque G03. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.